In this lesson, our learning objectives are Home tab and Paragraph group. So this is the Home tab and this is the Paragraph group. So we will learn here some features of the Paragraph group today. We are going to start from the align left, right or center. So suppose this one Home tab and Paragraph group I have written in center. But if you want to write down on the left side, so what you have to do, bring your cursor here, and if you do not know that this one is the line left or then this one is the line left or this one is, so just bring your cursor here and then it shows here that it is the align left. So click here, it will come here. If you think no, it should be in the center, so no problem, again you have to click, see, so this is the center, click here, it will go in the center. And similarly, if you want align right, so click here, it will go on the align right side. So align left, center and right. But one more thing, again I am repeating that whatever function you have to perform, first of all you have to select it. If you will not select the line or paragraph or your document, you cannot perform any function. Now we will learn how to use these bullets. Suppose you are a MBA student or nursing student or IT student or social work student, right? In MBA, suppose you have accounting, math, English, finance. In IT, suppose you have introduction to computer, C++, R programming, other languages. Now you are thinking that you have to write down these subjects in the form of bullets or in the form of numbering. So very easy. What is the first step I told you? You have to select it, right? And then this is the bullet. By default, you can say, see, it is the bullets. If you do not know what is this, just bring your cursor here and it will show you that these are the bullets. So by default, if I will click it, so these are the circle bullet. If you do not like these kind of bullets, so no problem. This is the arrow. Open this arrow and then these are different kinds of bullets. And you can see the preview here as well. See this check mark, this one. What kind of bullet you are looking for? Suppose you think, okay, this is fine. So just click here. Now instead of this circle small bullet, you can have different style of the bullets. Now suppose you think, though these accounting, math, these subjects I have to write down in the second level or third level or fourth level, right? Third level, fourth level and fifth level means suppose you want to write down here, you want to write down here or you want to fix it here. There is no need to delete it. What you have to do, and again I told you, I am telling you again that in MS Office or MS Word, there are two or three different ways to perform the function. So open this arrow again and change list level. Bring your cursor here and then see, this is the third level, this is the second level, this is the level 5. So suppose if you want to write down these subject in level 5, click here. And after that you thought, no, it should be level 3. No problem. Open this arrow again, go to the year and find out this is the third level. Similarly, we can apply the same feature here, introduction to computer, C++. Now suppose you want to write down these subjects or whatever you are writing, you want to give numbers or bullets, so you have to select. Now we are learning this 1, 2, 3. By default, if I will click here, this 1, 2, 3 will come. If you do not want this, so open this. There is a Roman 1, 2, 3, a small ABC like this, capital ABC, what type you need it, right? Suppose here I want ABC, so just click here, ABC will come up. And the same function, change level list, right? You can do it from here. This is the increase or decrease indent. If suppose you want to increase indent, according to your choice, you can set it wherever you want. You can decrease the level wherever you want. Same function you can do with the help of tab, with the help of on your keyboard. See, I am not pressing here, I am just pressing tab key with my keyboard and come back. Right? Okay, now this is the what this is called. If you do not know what is this is the line is and paragraph spacing, this one. Suppose if you have written your complete document, this is the small example, but the same function you can apply to your document or article or report, right? Suppose this is your report, so you want to give some line spacing. These are the line spacing 1.5, 2, and you can see the preview here as well, 3, 2.5, right? 2, whatever you want. If I say 2, so just 2, so this is your line spacing, right? Now suppose you want to set this. If you do not know what is this is borders. If you give some border to your this accounting, maths, English and finance courses, so what you have to do, open this border and then borders and shading, last one, bring it here. Okay, what you are looking for, box, shadow. See, if I say box, what type of outline you need. If I say I need, there are different, right? Okay, we will see this one. Then if you want some color, open this, what color. If I say red, you can see the preview here. And then width, what should be the width of this outline. So open this, there is 1.1 and a half, 4.5, 6, right? Or 3 point, we say okay 4, so make it and then okay. So in this way you can give border to your document as well. So we have learned few features of the paragraph group. In the next lesson hopefully we will learn some more feature. If you still have any question, you can write down in the comment section, but please do not forget to subscribe to my channel Saima Academy, and thanks for watching.